You must have heard, Mother Earth has enough to satisfy everyone's need, but not everyone's greed. Greetings to one and all watching this video.
Hi, Kushagra Gupta, along with my classmates Khushi Jha and Rudraksh Mishra, have come up with a solution. The very common problems we are facing, like pollution, water scarcity, etc.
The main idea of the project is being a part of society where we see lots of problems in the environment. It's our responsibility to use our knowledge to be a part of solution and not the problem. Our project basically focuses on the major environmental problems like plastic waste management, carbon reduction, scarcity of water in desert areas, and a lot more. We have gathered all these ideas by researching about each and every topic in detail, understanding a problem and bringing a solution for it. The working model of this project is not completely made due to unavailability of materials and technology at home in the ongoing situation. Our project basically includes four main projects, which are using wind energy obtained through moving vehicles, carbon capture, bringing rain in desert areas, and desalination of ocean water, and managing plastic waste.
A first project is about creating wind energy through the movement of vehicles. We all have observed when a bus or any vehicle like scooter or bike moves with a very heavy speed. We can feel the wind. This wind can be used to produce energy, which functions similar to a windmill. Functioning of this project. First, placing fans-like structures near the streetlights and highways. These will work similar to a windmill. They will also have solar panels to conserve the solar energy from the sunlight. Energy connection. The energy produced will be used to light up the whole city. Coping with the remains. The fans-like structures. The wind will force these fans to move and generate energy. They can be placed at roadsides and can be attached to the streetlights. Connection. This energy can be used and is 100% green energy and is eco-friendly.
Project is about carbon capture. The main purpose of our project is to decrease global warming. CO2 is the main greenhouse gas which causes global warming. So our project will capture the air from the atmosphere and separate CO2 from the rest of the gases present in the air, and this harmful CO2 can be used for different useful purposes which will help in decreasing the global warming and making useful products from the CO2. The model functions by sucking the polluted air through internal fans, then it is sent to the fractional distillation chamber. There, the CO2 is separated from rest of the gases through a process known as fractional distillation. Then CO2 is sent to another chamber where different useful products can be made from it and the rest of the gases are released in the atmosphere. To understand the functioning in a better manner, this is the diagram. The polluted air is sucked through internal fans, then it is sent to another chamber where CO2 is separated through fractional distillation. The CO2 is separated and the air without CO2 is released in the atmosphere.
People in the desert actually knows the raw importance of water because water as a resource is much limiting over there. Since we all know that ocean water is the only major source left, but modern science can make it useful. Procedure. The ocean water is collected and then the salinated water is brought to factories to desalinate it. They put the water into the pressure and filter it using microfiltration techniques. The clean water is supplied to the cities. The leftover salt is collected and is released into the air, which helps the cloud of those areas to grow bigger. This brings rain in the areas and the rainwater is fresh and is harvested. Coping with the remains. The filtration. For the filtration, CO2 is used, which is used for desalinating water. This CO2 can be obtained by fractional distillation of the polluted air, which can help us purify the air as well as to desalinate the ocean water. Fixing ash produced. The salt produced is released into the air, which can help form bigger clouds through a technique known as cloud seeding. Hygroscopic substances like table salts are proved effective in this process.
Exciting journey of trash. It is said that approximately 25,940 tons of plastic waste is daily generated and each and every house contribute to it. Plastic take hundreds of years to decompose. Indeed, there is a way which will get us out from this problem. Process. Collection. The waste is collected from the doorsteps. Then it is taken to a burning unit to an incineration plant. Burning. The waste is burnt in a 24/7 burning flame. The heat and light energy produced is then converted to the light energy and can be used to light up the cities. Filtration. The smoke produced can be filtered through the fractional distillation. The ash with the harmful gases stay down and the pure air is released into the atmosphere. Coping with the remains. Reversal of functioning of chimneys. Unlike the normal ones, the impure air stays down and the ash and the pure air is separated and released into the atmosphere. Fixing ash produce. A special island-like area can be created and the ash can be dumped there. The ash stays underground without disturbing the environment around there.
Now, you all will be wondering that what are the advantages of a project? Now, here are some of the advantages of a project.
How will this burg be eco-friendly? No plastic waste, as it is one of the most important problems. This city can fix it. No scarcity of water, as the areas facing low rainfall and depleted sources of water can use this technique. Electricity to all. 100% sustainable energy can be supplied to all the houses.
A project is fully sustainable. The energy sources which are used are sustainable. Fresh air. None of the polluting agents will escape into the environment, making it pollution free. Healthy lifestyle. Fresh air, fresh water, and electricity will help us create a healthy lifestyle.
This is all about the one-time investment. As we can see, 30% of the amount is going in the executing of the process, which involves construction and execution, and next 10% in the high-tech equipments. And after that, 40% in setting up units, as this is the most important process which we are dealing with. And last 20% involves the teaching of the processes like fractional distillation and the filtering of the gases.
If we convert every city into the Eco-Thrift Burg, we will be helping the nature, as there will be no pollution. Air pollution, water pollution and soil pollution will simply be avoided. It will reduce global warming, as the electricity will be sustainable and the rain will also bring a cooling effect. Also, the waste will be properly managed, especially the plastic waste. Thank you so much for hearing out our project. We believe in making a sustainable environment. Thank you.